Support the Ramen Raider on Patreon. Thanks to all our patrons.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramenrater. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail, and today we've got something from Japan. This is one of the Nakama Noodles boxes. You can go to Meow Box Japan, that's MIAU, boxjapan.com. Use the coupon code the Ramenrater for a discount. These boxes are rad, so let's just crack it open and look inside. Nice. Upon opening the boxes, you're going to see this leaflet, and this is the Ramen at Sea box. And on the other side, you're going to see this. And this right here, yeah, this big QR code, this is going to take you to a really nice PDF with all sorts of cultural information and background and info on everything that's in the box. I'm going to do that and walk you through everything that's in here. All right, our first one is from Ace Cook. This is Gyorantai Yokosuka Navy Curry Ramen. And I don't know, I've seen these, I guess naval officers are really into curry. I don't know, but I've seen this kind of thing before. And yeah, this sounds good. I'm interested in some beef curry, so we'll give it a try. This is another Ace Cook variety, and they're saying this is the Back Local Shop Saporo Black Shoyu Ramen. And yeah, the Back Local Shop, huh? It sounds kind of like a back alley kind of deal. It does have a sachet on top, and it's in a big plastic cup, so cool. Next up from Myojo, we have Sharumera Miyazaki Spicy Ramen Bowl. The Sharumera is a horn that you would blow if you were a ramen vendor. You're going through town, kind of like here in the States, we've got the ice cream man, plays his little song. Well, they had a horn, so they'd get into your neighborhood, blow the horn, you go out, you get your ramen. So yeah, and it's a spicy one. This range is really good. I really like Myojo Sharumera products, so I'm stoked. I haven't tried this one. And here's a neat one. This is Saporo Ichiban with their Cupstar Tonkatsu, and if you notice in the corner there, it mentions that it's its 50th anniversary of Cupstar products. Yeah, these are generally really good instant ramen cups, and who doesn't like tonkatsu? So I'll give this one a try. Well, looky what we have here. This is an old favorite of mine. This is Nissin sauce Yaki Soba in a tray, but this has a spin on it, and I'm gonna read you what it says, because it says it's Nissin sauce Yaki Soba with soup. It says, we love yakisoba, and while it can be found all over Japan, some of our noodle staff has fond memories of eating this by the ocean at summer festivals. This yakisoba features a traditional yakisoba sauce with tons of flavor and tasty chicken soup to enjoy on the side. So this one has like a little sipping soup. It's not a soupy yakisoba, because frankly that'd be gross, but this will be like a regular, you know, with the tamarind, the strong tanginess, and then you've got a sipping soup to have alongside. The Taiwanese do this kind of thing a lot. So yeah, I'm stoked. I can't wait to give this a try. Cool. Ooh, this one's shiny. This is a Sapporo Ichiban Premier Rich Kagoshima Black Pork Dashi Miso Ramen. Wow. Yeah, wow. Let's look at that. Wow. This looks really nice. I don't think it comes with... It might come with chashu. I don't know. But this looks really nice. I need to make more chashu. Having chashu to add to Japanese varieties is a really nice thing. I just haven't been able to afford pork belly lately. And, you know, you gotta have butcher twine and salt and sugar. That's no problem. Yeah. I need to get some pork belly. This is gonna be good. Wow, and another neat pack variety. This is Nissin Rao Tonkatsu Shoyu Ramen. And this is, the last one was a super premier variety. This is a premier or premium variety. The Rao noodle is very nice usually, and shoyu tonkatsu. That's a great combo, so we'll give this a try soon. And to finish things off, we've got a Nissin Donbei variety. This is the Ryuku Soba. This is also known as Okinawa Soba. So it's gonna have kind of a lighter, thinner broth and a decent noodle. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this one too. All right, so in this, the Ramenetsi Nakama Noodles box for June 2024, you get shoyu tonkatsu, fancy miso, tonkatsu, yaki soba with soup, I guess something kind of back alley, beef curry, Ryukyu Soba, spicy charamera, and your informational leaflet. Well, thank you for watching. If you're as fascinated by Japanese ramen as I am, I highly recommend checking these guys out. You can go to Meow, M-I-A-U, Mall, no, Meow, M-I-A-U, Box, Japan.com, and use the coupon code THERAMENRATER as a code you can enter and get a discount. These are really neat boxes, and this is stuff you can't get in the US, period. You can't go to any like specially Japanese store and find this stuff. So this is rad, and thank you. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramenrater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one.